Hi Ed, it's Evan again. This is CIS 148 week 2. I know this video is a bit late because I just hate doing the videos, but it's here, it's what I got, so I gotta turn it in, and then I have to bang out a lot more after it. So, just to be straightforward with it, week 2 was about the job application, and what we learned for that was the system input. So we have here the first example, obviously a prompt, and then the try and catch one with the buffered reader and input stream, and a whole lot of the scanner ones, because I like that a lot more. It takes up less space on the screen, and I like that, and it's a lot more compact, 3 things in one, so it makes it look neater. There's also, it's not in there. So if we go ahead and pile and build, and then we go ahead and run it. Full name, Evan Roberts. Filling out the application is pretty simple. It's kind of nice that we have these now, because it allows us later on in the class to actually get input from the reader, which is, kind of important. Mailing address, not going to show that on here, because why would anyone? Would you relocate? No. $80,000. 8,000, never mind. Okay. Yes, I am. That's about it. I believe you asked me, actually, to, after we do input, print it out. But, I don't know, I just didn't. I know how to, it'd just be, yeah. System.out. Printline to you entered then plus whatever you put there, so the our string of age. So we can go ahead and rebuild. Welcome to your job. Evan, how old are you? 18. You entered 18. You are currently employed. Yes, you can continue the application, but I just wanted to show that I do know how to do the double printing. So, good example of that. And I think that was all for this week. So that's going to finish up the vid.